In this video, I'm going to share what risk management is, how to use risk management, and how to place trades. So the first thing we need to do is we need to determine our correct lot size to use. So if you make a note of this website, it is myfxbook.com/forex calculators position size. So just bookmark this, save it, and in here you place your currency. So for mine will be GBP. You put your starting balance, so let's pretend it's going to be £500. Risk is typically 1% to 2% of your account. Most traders use 2%. And the stop loss is important to know because it determines the correct lot size to use. But typically it's around 20 to 30 pips. So make sure you do actually know the actual lot size. So for this example, I'm just going to put 20 pips. And we only want to be trading the Forex market. So we're only going to be taking Forex pairs, which is all these pairs here. These pairs down here are actually metals. So don't worry about these at the bottom. You only want to take Forex pairs. So for example, let's do GBP NZD, which is this one here. And then it automatically calculates for you, but this is saying that with a £500 account risking 2% and your stop loss is 20 pips, you can use a lot size of 0.096, and it's telling you every 20 pips it moves, you're going to be making £10. If you lose the trade, you lose 20 pips, you lose £10. Okay, so this determines really how much you're going to be making. If you get stopped out, hit your 20 pip stop loss, you will lose £10. If it moves 20 pips in your direction, you're going to be £10 up. If it moves 40 pips in your direction, you're going to be £20 up, and so on and so forth. So that's how you do proper risk management and how to get the proper lot size. So from there, now I'm going to show you on the phone how to place a trade on your phone. So this is after you've got your broker set up and you're trading on demo first. You should be trading on demo first. Do not go trading onto live until you're comfortable and you're making consistent profits and you know exactly what you're doing before going live. So this is a signals trade group that is included with your membership. This is like a private thing that we're doing. So this signal that was sent out today, it's saying sell limit Euro GBP is giving you your entry, SL is giving you your stop loss to use, and TP is giving you your take profit. There's also a sell limit on USD JPY. So USD JPY is literally United States dollar against Japanese yen. This one here is the euro against the Great British pounds. And then this UJ1, it's saying the entry is this, stop loss is this, and the take profit is this. So if we switch to here, the first trade was Euro GBP. So if you don't see any of these pairs here, you literally press this plus button here, and you will see Forex majors and Forex minors. Those are the only two you need to be concentrating on as a beginner. Do not worry about anything else, crypto, energies, metals, don't worry about anything else. Only take signals for Forex majors and Forex minors. So this is where you would add a currency pair for the miner. So you would find the trade signal that's sent out Euro GBP, and you literally just click on it, and then it adds it to your list. So let's go back. This is Euro GBP, which has already been added. You click that once and you click new order, and if we go back to the trade signal, it was saying it was a sell limit on Euro GBP. So we come back to here If you click this little arrow down here, it was a sell limit, and the number was 0. It might let me copy it. If I hold that down, click copy, might be a quicker way of doing it. So the entry was that. If it doesn't let you copy it, you can just type it in, but make sure you've typed it in correctly. So if I highlight that, if I click paste, maybe not. That did not like that. So this is where you got to be careful, and you actually are typing in the correct number. So if I go back, the number was 0.91679. .91679. So that's the entry price. Next is the stop loss. So SL, it's saying is 0.91979. Let's open this up so it's a bit bigger for us. 0.91979. The red underline means stop loss, so red is stop loss. So let's double check that was correct. 91979, 91979, and the take profit is 0.91479, 91479. And the take profit is always the one with the green line. So that is literally all you need to put in. Oh, obviously with the lot size, if you remember back to the risk management, it was saying we can use a 0.09. So now we've got our 0.09 there. It's a sell limit. It's Euro GBP. We got our entry price, our stop loss, and our take profit. So when we click place, the order is ready to go. Now price needs to reach that level for it to be activated, so it could take a little while to get to that stage, but that is how you place a trade. So if we do one more, sell limit USD JPY. So if we find that, we scroll down, and as you can see there's USD JPY here, new order, sell limit. We've got our lot size already in place. The entry is 108.140. Now we're after the stop loss. Stop loss is 108.440. And the take profit is 107.940. So if you click place, that is now showing that that sell limit is ready. So that's how you place a trade. You can place different trades. So the only different trades they've got is a buy limit and a sell limit, a buy stop and a sell stop, and a market execution. The way we trade, you won't really be using buy stops and sell stops. Market execution just means you literally get into the trade straight away. So as you can see, there's no entry price that you put in. As soon as you press buy or sell, you are going to be entered into the market straight away. Okay, and to determine the correct lot size for the risk management, I will show you how you can do that on the chart. So let's look at USD JPY, for example. So with USD JPY, they were saying the entry was 108,140. That's the entry. And the stop loss is 108.440. And that will be your stop loss. So on the left hand side you see the measure tool. You can use this going from one line to the next line, and that is pretty much showing you that that is 30 pip stop loss. As you can see, the number at the top, it says 29.1, but it's pretty much 30 pips stop loss. So going back to that risk management, when it asks you what is the stop loss, you would put in it's a 30 pip stop loss. And as you can see now down here, it's saying the lot size is now less because your stop loss has gone up, and it's saying to use a 0.064 lot size, meaning that every 30 pips that it moves, you will now be making £10. And if you lose the trade, which means you lose the 30 pips, you will lose £10. Okay, so hopefully that helps you. And if you have any questions regarding that, please reach out to me. Thank you.